Hello friends, I am Om Prakash. I welcome you all to Digital Marketing Tips YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how search engine works. To explain how search engine works, let us take an example. In this example, as you can see, there is a Sham is looking for his party dress, and here is a stack of clothes that are unorganized. Then his brother organizes all the clothes based on types. Then the cupboard is organized. Then finally, Sham finds his dress for a party. Okay. Then here, in this case, in the example, there is a need for organizing content on World Wide Web. Here, the stack of clothes you think as an content on the World Wide Web, whole websites in the search engines. That content has to be organized. And here, the brother's role is taken as search engine. Search engine sends bots or spiders or crawlers. The organized cupboard is a Google index database, which is saved in their local servers in many computers. And here Sham is an end user with a search query. And here finding the party address by Sham is based on the ranking on SCRP, that is search engine results page. And how the search engine algorithm works. First of all, the search engine sends its spiders out to crawl the web, and the crawling is done by 24 by 7. Then the spider take notes of your title descriptions, keywords, header tags, meta description to learn what is your site is about and where to put you. And then the spider consolidate their findings to determine where to serve you up on the web. That is indexing of website pages. And the end user runs a search query on the search bar. Then, depending on the ranking, your websites will be appear on the on the page on the search engine results page. You can take this is a process of how search engine algorithm works. First, the spider crawls the web pages, then analyze the page content, and here the process is first process is Google works in three stages. First is crawling process. In that, Google searches the web with automatic programs called crawlers or spiders or bots, looking for pages that are new or updated. Google stores those page addresses or page URLs in a big list to look at later. It finds pages by many different methods, but the main method is following links from pages. And next process is the next stage is indexing. Google visits the pages that it has learned about by crawling and tries to analyze what page is about. Google analyzes the content, images, and video files in the page, trying to understand what the page is about. This information stored in the Google Index, a huge database that is stored on many computers. And then the third stage is ranking, that is serving search results in search engine results page. When a user performs a Google search, Google tries to determine the highest quality results. The best results have many factors, including things such as a user location, language, device, whether it's desktop or mobile, and previous queries. For example, searching for bicycle repair shops would show different answers to a user in US than it would to a user in India. Google doesn't accept payment to rank pages here, and ranking is done algorithmically. And also, the algorithms are updated daily. And here you can see the flowchart. First, the spider calls the web pages, then analyzes the page content, then it stores all the data in the index. Whenever user searches any query in the Google search engine, then ranking algorithm fetches data from store index, and depending upon the factors of the website, there are many ranking factors about the relevant content, and the results will come, and user query is being done. In this way, search engine algorithms works. If you have learned anything from this video, then don't forget to like the video. Also, if you have any query or doubt, you can tell me in the comment section and save the playlist so that you don't miss a single video. Thank you so much.